Hi, hello friends and viewers. Welcome to my channel. Learn more about library and information science with the tagline Visualizing New Concepts. Today I am going to discuss a special topic on artificial intelligence. Here is the topic. Artificial intelligence adoption in university libraries needs changes in academic curriculum. So, in the recent years, there has been a growing demand for universities to adapt to the changing landscape of academic research and learning. Among them, integration of artificial intelligence in academic curriculum is one of them. For this, I am going to discuss the following points. Required changes expected. Artificial intelligence can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of information retrieval. In today's world, students have access to vast amounts of information at their fingertips. Artificial intelligence not only saves time but also ensures that students are expected to a diverse range of resources. Automation of works. Secondly, artificial intelligence can automate routine tasks, freeing up time for librarians to focus on more complex tasks. However, this shift in responsibilities requires a change in academic curriculum. Students need to be exposed to artificial intelligence technologies and their potential applications in their respective fields of study. Furthermore, with the increasing use of artificial intelligence, it is concerned for universities to prepare students for future career opportunities. In the conclusion, I could say the few words. The adoption of artificial intelligence in university libraries is necessary step towards revolutionizing the academic landscape. Not only it paves efficiency and effectiveness information retrieval, but it also ensures learning and research processes. As the saying goes, the only constant in life is a change, and it is a time for universities to embrace the change that artificial intelligence brings. Thank you, one and all, for listening to me. Thank you once again.